how to change text size on Snapchat. So if you're using a Snapchat on your Android or on your iPhone, and I want to change the text size while you are chatting, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change text size on Snapchat, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Snapchat app on your phone. Then once you open the Snapchat app, click on the chat icon on the navigation to open your chat. Then select the friend you want to chat with. Once you started it, then go ahead and type in your message. So here I'm going to say how to change text size on Snapchat. Then you've had your text like this, and I want to change the text size. What you just want to do is make sure you move the cursor to the very end. Then once you have the cursor to the very end, locate the up and down arrow in gray buttons. Then to increase the size of the text, just swipe up a bit, and that's going to make the text bigger, you can see. Then release to send, just come down a bit to make the size bigger like this. And if you want to make it smaller, you can just drag down like this, while the gray up and down arrow changes to green. You see that? Now the moment you release the text, this is going to send the text instantly. Then send. Then you see the text size changed like this. Then if I copy this, send again in the chat, it's going to send the text normally. And then if I copy this again, reduce the size, it's going to help reduce the text size on Snapchat. So that is basically how to change text size on Snapchat. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.